welcome you all to the celebrations of National Mathematics Day to commemorate the contributions of a great Indian mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar. Now, let's have an attentiveness look on highlights of a self-taught mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan's life and his genius. Srinivasa Ramanujan is known as an all-time great Indian mathematician. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu, India. About his school education, passed primary examination and stood first in the district at Town High School, Kumbakonam in 1898. Mastered advanced trigonometry written by S.L. Lone at the age of 13 years. A thought of 7 years old Ramanujan. Once his teacher said that when 0 is divided by any number, the result is 0. Ramanujan immediately asked his teacher whether 0 divided by 0 gives 0. This shows early signs of his genius. He was invited to England to improve his works by G.H. Hardy and J.E. Littlewood, who were great mathematicians. Hardy and Ramanujan had two opposite personalities. Hardy was an atheist and believes mathematical proof and analysis, whereas Ramanujan was a deeply religious guy and he believes in his trustworthy intuition. He was the first elected mathematician from Indian to the London Mathematical Society and he became a fellow of the Royal Society. Recognition of his genius. Initially, G.H. Hardy thought that the works of Ramanujan were fraud because of most of them were impossible to believe. But finally, they were convinced and interested in his talent. He was best known for Lambda Ramanujan constant, Mach theta functions, Ramanujan prime, Ramanujan theta function, Ramanujan sum, Ramanujan identities, Ramanujan master theorem. Let's now move on to an interesting magic of Ramanujan's magic square. This square looks like any other normal magic square, but this is formed by great mathematician of our country, Srinivasa Ramanujan. What is so great in it? Sum of numbers of any row is 139. Sum of numbers of any column is also 139. Sum of numbers of any diagonal is also 139. Sum of corner numbers is also 139. Sum of identical curved boxes is also 139. Look at these central squares. Their sum is also 139. Can you try these combinations? You will get exactly 139. Please observe this. It is an interesting row. It is 22nd December 1887, which is exactly the date of birth of our Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Yes, be a proud Indian to have such great mathematician. Srinivasa Ramanujan at Cambridge University. Ramanujan and Hardy arrived at Ramanujan's residence in a cab number 1729. Hardy commented that the number 1729 seemed to be uninteresting, but Ramanujan said that is a very interesting mathematical number. The smallest natural number can be represented in two different ways as a sum of two cubes. 1729 can be written as 1 cube plus 12 cube. In other way, it can be written as 9 cube plus 10 cube. It is also the product of three prime numbers 7, 13, 19. The last three books of Ramanujan. Calculations of Ramanujan in his own handwriting. Tough time in England. Pure vegetarian meals was not available. too busy with calculations and very often neglected food and spent till late night. The cold and damp climate disturbed his health. He was attacked by tuberculosis. He returned to India. We miss a great mathematician. Ramanujan sailed to India on 27 February 1919 and arrived on 13 March. However, his health was very poor. He passed away on 26 April 1920 at Kumbakonam, Tamil Nadu, India. Recognition by Government of India. The former Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, has declared the year 2012 as the National Mathematical Year and the date December 22 being the birthday of Srinivasa Ramanujan has been declared as the National Mathematics Day to be celebrated every year. Thank you one and all. This is Rajshekhar Nanubolu, HOD of Basic Sciences and Humanities, Sri Vasavi Engineering College.